The topic is retrogressive metamorphosis in protochordata, especially this ascidian tadpole larva we see. Actually, these animals which are belongs to the Eurochordata are showing the all chordate characters, but at their larval stage only. But the adult organism can attach to a substratum. It can loses almost all the chordate characters, nerve cord, notochord, and tail, everything it can last, and it can live like a sedentary animal. But here, what is going to be discussed here is the larva is containing all the chordate characters or developed characters, but the after metamorphosing, the adult can loses all the characters. It can live like a stone-like or a sedentary animal. Normally, in the metamorphosis, what should happen? The larva should contain very less characters. The adult should develop more developed characters. That is actually called as a metamorphosis. But here the metamorphosis is reversing by losing all the developed characters. Best on example is the ascidian tadpole larva. In this ascidian tadpole, this is ascidian tadpole larva. This is actually free swimming larva. Remember this point. That adult organism is the sedentary animal or sessile animal. It cannot move from one place to another place. But the larva is free swimming larva. It can roam in the water in different ecosystems. A notochord is present in the larva. Gill slits also developed in this organism. Larva for the respiration. This is just like a tadpole larva of the frog or a fish-like body. Post-anal tail is also present to support the swimming, and sense organs like acillus or ocelli are present. Ice pads are also present. Otoliths for balance, maintaining the balance, are also present. These all 5 important characters are present in the ascidian tadpole larva or Eurochordata tadpole larva. These are very developed characters present in them, but during the metamorphosis, these all characters are degraded or degenerated. It can loses the tail, it can lose its notochord, it can loses its nerve cord, everything it can lost. It can lose sense organs also even. Only it has some gill slits, but those internal gill slits are retained in the body. All the organs are degenerated in the body. By degenerating all the characters, the larva can develop as an adult organism. For example, this one. This is the adult organism. It is a sessile. It cannot move from one place to another place. This can form the tadpole larva after the external fertilization. The embryonic development is taking place in the water. This can swim for some time. It can move it can move in the water freely, and after the metamorphosis it can settle with a substratum, and it can metamorphose and develop as a sessile one by losing all the developed characters. What are the progressive changes or developmental changes? Means the pharynx expands greatly. Okay, however, the pharynx is developing. The gills are present inside the body. Tunic thickens. Tunicin is one covering. Tunicin is one covering which can protect this adult organism from the external environment and from the animals. This tunicin is actually made up of cellulose. Like actually the cellulose is present in the plant cell walls. That cellulose is also like structure. Polysaccharide is also present in the tunicin. And mouth became wide. The mouth. Where is the mouth? Okay. This is the mouth structure. Actually, this should be outgoing structure should be there like this. This is the mouth. The water current enters into the mouth. Here the filter feeding is taking place. The gill respiration is taking place. Exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide just for. And the filter feeder can obtain the food material. The undigested food material can expel or with the excurrent water like this. These are the, see here, the retrogressive degenerated organs, all the organs are degenerated except the gill slits. Important significance of the protochordate is actually these larvae are free swimming animals that can roam in the water. This has a lot of ecological importance because the free swimming larvae serves as a dispersal stage, means they can move from one place to another place. Adult organism cannot move, but the larva can move from one place to another place, that can roam throughout the different ecosystems. This allows the adult organism permanently attached to a substratum in different ecosystems. That has a lot of ecological importance, means the free swimming larva can move from one place to another place in different places. There the adult organism can be settled. The adult organism which are settled in the different areas, the different ecosystems, can show the different characters. Either it may be morphological characters or it may be any other anatomical characters. Evolutionary significance. Actually, the free swimming larva is showing all the adult characters. That is actually positive. That is showing the primary evolutionary adaptation or evolutionary development. But the adult organism is showing all the rudimentary characters, declined characters. The scientists are stating that this might be the secondary evolutionary adaptation.